Hello everyone, my name is Wade. I've been living in Hangzhou for 5 years. No, I lied, 2 years. And look at this beautiful bridge. Lauren put us on the subway that felt like 6 fucking hours. So we could see this beautiful bridge. So, you want to know something about this bridge? Then you should Google it, because I don't know anything about this bridge. But apparently, this is the Venice of Hangzhou. There's also a Paris of Hangzhou.
But we're not there now.
But we're not there now. But this is Venice, Hangzhou. And also, if you can see over there, we've got some beautiful ladies and men dancing. It's very Moi, it's very unique, it's very Chinese. But we sat on the subway for 6 flippin' hours so we could do this.
That was 1 hour.
According to Lauren, it was 1 hour. It felt like 6 hours. I've never been so close to people before in my life. And I've never had so many people in one confined space since New Year's. We won't talk about that now. So yes, we're doing a tourism thing. We are getting ready for Amy and Justin and Caitlin. And Lauren wants to be a sightseer. I've lived here for 2 years. I didn't even know this was here. But, you know. Oh, there's a barge. Look there. You know, a Chinese barge. Not a Venice barge. Maybe half Venice off. That is where they carry goods and then they import them through the whole of China. So they use the water instead of using the highways, so there's less traffic. Interesting fact for you. Bossy. Okay, till we next to the next attraction. Until we get on the next 6 hour subway. Bye bye.